I have here some, no, ang dami actually, no? We have this segment we call IQ, no? Internet questions and comments. Now, siguro mas maganda na lang, let's read it together para,
Internet questions.
IQ natin to internet questions. Okay. This one is from J.S. Uy. Yan. Rowena.
Wow, what values or ethical beliefs have led you to your current political beliefs? Oh, excellence and integrity.
Excellence and integrity.
And love of country. Because my parents were, they were heroes during the war. My father was a guerrilla. Anak ko ng sundalo.
Oh,
no?
okay.
He was captured, bayoneted, incarcerated, beaten up, and he escaped. And he went to college in Silliman after the war with my mother, and he graduated the first summa cum laude of Silliman. In 1950, he was given, one of the veterans given the U.S. Congressional Gold Medal by the U.S. Congress. Yeah.
Talaga you're in the lineage of heroes,
so, yeah, because that's why our parents really taught us. And my mother was a daughter of a mayor during the war who refused to surrender to the Japanese Imperial Army.
The apple does not fall far from the tree. That's what
yeah,
you are.
And the water cannot rise higher than the source.
Well said, Your Honor. Okay, let's go now to David D'Angelo. Ayan.
Bakit po kayo naging DDS? Hindi po ako DDS. Kakamping po ako, di ba? I'm really left of center. So yung mga DDS, they're originally pro-Duterte, all right? And then they represent Duterte's principles, right? So, hindi po ako DDS. Kaya lang, love ako ng mga DDS, di ba? It doesn't make me DDS kung if they like me, di ba? And they vote for me or they comment, ganyan. Kasi ako, I'm really left of center. Ever since high school, di ba? I was in UP. Barkada ko yung si Lisa Masa ng Gabriela, di ba? My political, ideological beliefs are different. No? Atin ang West Philippine Sea, di ba? I stand for that UN arbitral ruling, di ba? I do not like the incursion of China, di ba? And well, Digong represents a friendly stance to China, di ba? And so that's what the DDS represent. But to my pleasant surprise, I've been to Cebu and Davao. Yung mga DDS are very, welcome nila ang mga taong hindi DDS.
Okay.
So, para sa kanila,
so they're balanced, more balanced there.
Yeah, because I also deal with professionals.
Yeah.
I don't really talk to, di ba, hindi, it's okay. But, I don't really go out in a foreign country, like Davao. I don't really go out there. And I get to meet people in groups and they're mostly professionals. So, mali po yung tingin nyo na DDS ako kasi hindi ko binabanatan si Sara Duterte. Pero, you have to appreciate that I'm really consistent. Anti-Marcos po talaga ako. Since I was 13 years old, pangalawang Marcos na po ako eh. Wag naman po sana pangatlo. 67 na ako eh. Never again. Diba?
Okay.
Ilang water cannon ang tumama sa akin dyan sa kay Ferdinand Marcos na regime, ha? When I was campaigning against Marcos for Lenny, sinabi ko, pag nanalo si Marcos, hindi na yan naalis. It's going to be a dynasty all over again. Right? So, I'm consistent, anti-Marcos. And so the DDS, they like that. Right? But this...
I think for everyone, consistency and everything is very important.
But these mga makikitid na mga tao kasi, they have small minds eh. Hanggang dun lang sila eh. Black or white. Alam nyo, ay hindi kayo mananalo pag ganyan lagi iniisip nyo. And you know that ako ay basta anti-Marcos ako kasi nakita ko na, lalo na ngayon after 3 years, na wala talagang magandang patutunguhan. Our country is not getting, progressing. It's getting worse under Bongbong Marcos.
Ito, I have to cut. Ang dami kasi, no? But ito na lang, just one lang.
But that's a good question, ha?
Yeah, right.
So I can explain.
Oh, correct. Ito, galing from Francis Pope or Pope, no? May plano po ba kayong tumakbong senador? Ayan, ayun na lang.
No, I have no plans of running for senator now. Kasi, iisipin mo, pag may plano ako, all my efforts and all my behavior will be towards that goal. And I like to be free.
Right.
I'm very independent.
You are your own woman.
Yeah, and I made my own woman.
Yes, That's true.
Kasi parents ko were very keen on independence, financial, career, etc. So, I'm very secure and I'm very independent. So, wala po akong planong tumakbong senador. Kasi gusto ko po independent talaga ako. Ngayon, tingnan nyo yung mga may plano dyan, di gigewang-gewang sila. Diba?
True.
Ako sabihin nyo, impeachment, bakit ako ayaw ko na impeach? Sinabi ko na sa inyo from the start. Nauna na ako dyan sa iba. That this impeachment is not a good thing for the country. Plus, the grounds for impeachment, for me, they're not sufficient to impeach the vice president. And all the problems of the country, uunahin nyo talaga yan. Talunin nyo na lang yan sa eleksyon. Total, 3 years na lang naman. Pinakulong nyo na naman si Digong. Di ba? Ako, nakulong na rin lang si Digong. Di ba? Yan ang wish ng marami. Di banatan na natin ngayon si Marcos Romualdez.